The USA getting prime billing at the Cannes Film Festival. Join us right now with the backstory behind the American resurgence as Wall Street Journal entertainment editor, John Edwards. Hi there.
Hi.
So the film festival getting underway next week in France. Just how big is the U.S. presence going to be?
Well, it's going to be about 5 out of the 20 films in the main competition are American, which is an unusual number, higher than in several years. And if you add in a couple more that are have U.S. financing, it's the biggest U.S. presence in almost a decade.
All right, let's name drop for a minute, then we'll get to the why of this.
Sure.
What films should we be looking for? There's one called Nebraska I was particularly interested in.
That's right. Alexander Payne, who a lot of people know from The Descendants, he directed this movie about a father-son road trip through the Plains States. And some others coming up. We've got Jim Jarmusch has a vampire love story called Only Lovers Left Alive.
You can't go wrong with vampires, right?
Exactly.
Still.
Exactly.
And Steven Soderbergh in with a film about Liberace?
That's right. It's going to be on HBO in the U.S. And Soderbergh was initially reluctant to have the film in competition at Cannes, but they twisted his arm and got it in there.
So they'll also be doing a screening at Cannes about of The Great Gatsby, even
That's right.
five days after it actually launches here in the U.S. What was keeping American filmmakers away from the Cannes Film Festival previously? Why are they coming back now, John?
Well, part of it was the big downturn in 2008. The financial crisis dried up funding for a lot of independent movies, and so that led a lot of American filmmakers to sort of retrench and not get out there into competition. Now financing seems to be coming back, and that's getting a lot more interest.
Because
out there.
Originally the festival was conceived in part when it was conceived before World War II as a way to kind of court American filmmakers who were frustrated with the
Venice Festival.
Right.
Right, and they were concerned there about Mussolini's influence on the films at the Venice Festival, and so the folks at Cannes saw an opportunity and had a little more freedom for filmmakers to come to France and show their films there.
All right, well, it kicks off next week. John Edwards, thanks so much for being with us.